On the right hand, man, we out here on the boat again.
Them dudes over there.
Oh, it's very shallow. Like a hill. It's like a hill. We going up. Hold on. Go that way, Jay.
Oh, it sure is.
It's like a. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you turned it down.
Yeah, because you said it was shallow, so I want to try to kind of look and see if I see anything.
Crappie fishing.
Over there. While I'm out here. Y'all them lily pads over there? On that other side over there?
What?
Where they at?
They over there with some what? Bad catfish.
Probably what they doing, bass fishing.
I need to start the troller a little bit. Just float with it for a little bit, get one out there. Where you trying to go around? Getting our tackle together. I think the brim, they down there chilling, ain't nothing on dead yet. So we had to get our line together, man. We had to get our reel together. New tackle. We bringing it back out this year. Hopefully we can keep it out. I'm out here learning to drive the boat, and I'm learning how to maneuver the boat on and off the trailer. You feel what I'm saying? So it's a learning lesson for me too, but it's also a fishing day. See the little ducks out there getting it in. We ain't caught none yet though, but we better go over that way in a minute. He put that new, he put that new rod on there, that new reel. Yes, sir. Hey, where we see a snake just come up out there, just come on the boat.
He ain't coming on the boat. I ain't worried about that.
You see, that's how you reel it up. He got it going in. Put it on there. He got it set up somewhere over there. You see. Yeah, he getting it. Y'all can't see it. It's over there turning. Yeah. So yeah, we getting it, man. We just trying to get the tackle together. We got our fish finder. Chicken. Always have your life jacket on. I got mine on. Got our fish finder right there.
I swim like a rock, so I ain't worried about a life jacket.
You swim heavy?
Like a rock, straight to the ball.
That means he sink. We in. You see the alert? We in shallow water. We're gonna get up out of there. We're gonna turn it off till we get out there in the water. That's all you need. That means when he get out there, he going straight to the bottom. Good thing I brought the rope. I paid $1 at the yard sale for the rope.
That's right. Throw me a rope. Throw me a line. Don't come in for me because I might fight you. Throw me a rope.
Throw you a rope.
I don't plan on going in there though.
We ain't going in. The boat solid. The boat solid, y'all. We didn't get this boat on Craigslist, but we got offline Facebook Marketplace. Every one of my boats that I ever got, this guy took me to go get it. Yes. Jay, tell me why we seen another boat better than this one, clean, carpet did and everything. They wanted $1,500. 3 troll motors.
That's what happens when you be in a rush. You don't take the time for that.
Man.
Sell this one in first. When you get the other one in, sell this one. You definitely sell it. How much you get for it?
Probably get like 8.
That's what I was thinking.
Probably wasn't gonna get the whole thing. Jeff found my bill of sale last night. I was applying for that title. So I'm gonna get a title for it. Don't apply for it. And somebody said I gotta take my scale, my trailer over the scale.
I don't know nothing about that. This ain't got that kind of weight.
They don't. Yes, sir. See that? I thought I was gonna put my phone in the water now. Yeah. Y'all stay tuned. I'll be back. Hopefully, I can bring my sons out here by myself and we get it in. Yeah. Got the co-pilot in the front. We really moving. We kicking waves. Get you right, Jay. I'm gonna get you right, Jay. I'm gonna get you right. We riding. They got some nice houses up there. We really crew. Got my fish frying over there doing their thuzzle. Huh? Is that a cat? He just watching. That's a cat. You want to get on the boat? That's what it is. Oh, we can go in that way too, huh, Jay? He got headline in the water. We just really coasting. This thing really doing numbers out here on this lake. Huh? They say we're in 2 point.